Hi there. This is Charlie Cameron in the Charlie Cameron Chocolate Croissant Company. Yeah. It's right. We make the chocolate croissants.
Big chocolate ball.
Woo! You ever walking around, you say, man, my pants, they don't fit good. I need a new pair of croissants. Well, you need to come to the Charlie Cameron Chocolate Croissant Company, Inc. INC with a damn period behind it, cause man, we make some good croissants. You put them things on, they make your balls turn brown.
They melt on your mouth.
Oh,
I tell you that,
what you saying about that?
Melt in your mouth, not in your hand.
Whoa, what you say, about?
They melt in your mouth, not in your hand.
Yeah, see, and that's a true testimony. He got them on right now. Look at him. Look at him. He ain't dancing around like I got some chocolate britches.
I just want to eat my fat.
I almost grabbed his ass, but he'll get my hand all looking brown like I touched his poo butt.
See, how poor is my pants melting? I don't know.
Yeah, it's tough to tell. Woo! But I tell you what, you come down to the Charlie Cameron Chocolate Croissant Company,
Festival.
and there's a 50% sale for Christmas. Just in case you want to get your old lady some chocolate croissants too, because we do have the female
Have a
kind.
little dress.
You put it on that button, it melt.
We even have white chocolate.
What? Wait, what you say about?
White chocolate, yeah. 50% off every day, all day.
All day?
All day.
What about shipping and handling?
Shipping and handling is free with a $50 purchase.
Yeah, the only handling you're gonna be doing is your hand on your old lady's ass trying to get some chocolate.
Kissing her ass all the time.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.